I'm just going to put a little bit of petroleum jelly around the edges, so I don't get any shavings. Fuck, that's not good. I didn't realize it was going to go in deep. That's all I'm going to risk. I had no idea that was going to go in that deep. Huh, how about that? I'm gonna back it out. Okay. Alright. With all that other shit around it. Get more. Get all this other shit up with petroleum. Pick it up. I think it's good. I like it. Yeah, that's how much it broke off. Excellent. Alright, so I'm replacing it with this. I got this on Amazon. I got this on Amazon for I think $7. $7. So I'm a happy camper here. Just gotta clean off the rest of that shit. Fantastic. Hey, just like a new car. Woohoo! All right. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment if you have any suggestions or comments about anything that I've just done. I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by and looking. I might be doing some other things with my 1999 Dodge Dakota 1500 Sport. Take care, guys. Thank you.
So I needed to check the oil, and I was in the middle of the road when my truck had an issue and it stopped. And there was oncoming traffic. It was right at the middle of an intersection, and I had a stoplight right behind me, a traffic light. What happened was it was a major road. Cars were coming down the road, and I was trying to make sure that they moved over. So I was running to the back of the vehicle to wave them off so I didn't want one car coming behind. I didn't want one car coming behind, then move, and then have another car and then come in and hit me. Because people like to drive right, and then they get out of the way when they go, oh look, I got to get out of the way, and then then the other person doesn't have enough time to brake. So that was my biggest fear, being stopped on a road like that. And when I looked, as I was working with the dipstick, I was trying to put the dipstick back in after I was checking it out. I pushed it too hard off to the side. It snapped off, which is what you saw on the video. Now here's the thing, here's a breakdown about the video. I had seen videos where people were trying to fix their dipstick that had broken off, and they were drilling. Now to the way it worked out for me was that it went in a lot further, and I was like horrified. Now I didn't have everything that I needed. I needed a bit on the top of my drill so that I'd be able to screw in the screw deeper, because all I was going to do was just use a little screwdriver to do that. Once it pushed in deeper, I then just started to re-drill the hole. Once I had tried to drill the hole, and as the plastic was melting on the bit, then I just pulled the bit out, and I realized the dipstick was coming up with it. So that's one way. And then the petroleum jelly on the ends of the dipstick was just to make sure that none of the plastic parts or plastic shavings fell in. All right, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you very much for watching. I'm glad this all worked out. Now on to bigger and better things. Take care.